Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my very first Rockbox. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, stay tuned. Okay, before I open it, I just want to say if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you join me. On my channel, I like doing unboxings from different subscription services. So if you like watching unboxing videos, just click on the subscribe and also click on the little bell. And every time I upload a video, you'll be notified right away. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. Welcome back, and I appreciate each and every one of you. If you see everything behind me, on my last video, I just opened this. I won this in a recent giveaway. If you see the little letter I up here, if you want to go check out that video and watch me unbox everything, just click on that. I won this from the fabulous Age is Just a Number by Barbara Jean. If you guys don't know her, definitely go check out her channel. Okay, now, like I said, let's go ahead and open the Rockbox and see what I got. Now, for those of you who don't know what Rockbox is basically a jewelry rental service, and it costs $21 a month. And you get 3 pieces of jewelry sent to your house, and you get to try it on and wear it around and see what you think of it. Now, they do have the option to buy it if you choose to. If you choose not to, though, you just put everything back in this bag and you send it back to them at the end of the month. Now, everything, like I said, is $21 a month. If you buy anything out of this box, they will take the $21 off the total of the piece of jewelry that you decide you want to keep. You can't part with it. You have to keep it. The $21 will be subtracted off of that. And also, if you keep all 3 pieces, they'll add an additional $10 off of it. So it'll be $31 off your whole set if you keep all 3 of them. Okay, so with that said, this is the way it looks when you open it. Here is your invoice. And the other paper just went flying off. Yes, this is my invoice. And this says the prices of everything that's in my box. And this is the way it looks. So let's go ahead and open it and see what I got. And then I'll try all the pieces on. Now, when I went on the website for the first time, oh, and by the way, I used someone else's link because this was my first box. I got to try it for free. So I will leave a link down below that if you've never tried Rockbox, definitely use my link and then you'll get to try it for free. And I will leave that down in the comment section or in the description box below. Okay, the other thing I was going to say is when I went on their website, you can have a stylist pick your pieces for you, or you can pick the pieces if you want. I picked my own pieces, but I picked so many pieces and changed my mind so many times that I don't even remember what I got anymore. So we're going to go ahead and open it. We're going to try all 3 pieces on, and I would love to hear what you guys think about this. And also, has anyone else tried Rockbox out there? If you have, let me know what you think of the service. Okay. Oh, and another thing, your $21 is only good for the entire month, like from the beginning of the month to the end of the month. If you don't use your credit by the end of the month, you'll lose your $21. So just wanted to also make sure that was clear to you guys. Okay, so here is the first piece. I remember these now, yes. These were Kendra Scott earrings, and let me hold them up for you. Let me go ahead and put them on, and then I'll give you the details of the earrings. Okay, guys, I got them on. What do you think? Do you like them? Let's see what it says about these. These are made by Kendra Scott, and these are macrame D drop earrings in silver and ivory mother of pearls. And if I chose to purchase these would be $58. So I like them. I think it shows up against my dark hair pretty nicely. Very lightweight too, which is what I really appreciate. So I'm happy with that because I do not like heavy earrings anymore. Can't do them. Okay, let's get the next item out. And that was a beautiful necklace, which is what I thought very similar to the earrings. That's why I picked it. So let me put this on and then I'll give you the information about the necklace. Okay, here it is. Here's the necklace that I got, that I picked out for myself. And this was by Ava Rose, and this is the Hilton pendant in silver and slate cat's eye. And this is $59 if I should choose to purchase it. I think it goes very nicely with the earrings. What do you guys think? I don't think I did bad for my first time. Yay, I'm liking everything. Okay, and the third one looks like a set of bracelets, and I remember these now that I'm looking at it. And these are 2 silver bracelets, and these are from the company Wild. Let me try to put it like here so you guys could see it against my shirt maybe. And this is Laguna Stretch Bracelet Set in silver for $55. And they have some pretty good weight on them too. And they have like, is that called a chevron stripe? With the like triangular design in them. So very, very stretchy and cute. So overall, these are my 3 pieces that I got to try for the month of May, or actually for the month of June. I'm still stuck in last month. This is for the month of June. Now, like I said, I don't know if I'm going to purchase any of these, but if I do, my $21 will be subtracted off of it. But if I choose not to, I put everything back in my box and I send it back to them for next month and then get a whole new set again for $21. So, have you guys ever tried Rockbox, and what do you think? Okay, if you are liking my videos, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.